Did I give you guys an update on the numbers of this house I'm looking at?
Let's hear it.
Share my screen with you. The deal is that there is an owner of the property who bought the house, borrowed money on it, has fallen short of being able to complete it.
My God, looks like they've done a lot.
They've done a lot. Yeah,
Wow.
there's no heat, there's no electricity, middle of winter.
Oh boy.
There are some problems. First mortgage is 230K. Another 60K mortgage was put on the deal, right? So it's up to 290 now.
Yeah.
And so this guy is okay, that's fine. I'll put on my mortgage and of another 60K. So he gives the money, and the lawyer is doing up the paperwork and goes, do you know that there's a third mortgage on here of $15,000? And by this point, he's already given the money. And so
Oh
this
shit.
thing is encumbered at, oh, what is that? High 300s.
Oh, okay. High 300s.
So yeah, and it's currently not worth that in the state that it's in. Yes, they've done a lot of work, but there's a lot of work. Like the kitchen, I think I might redo the kitchen if I was to do this. Like it's really cheap cabinets. You
Oh,
can,
yeah. Look at the seam at the sink
yeah,
there and the
look at the seam
countertop.
there, right?
Oh,
And just some stuff like that. Just now, the guy who was doing this work, from what I understand, he quit on the job because he wasn't being paid.
yeah.
So it doesn't look at its top yet, anyways. And it's a
What?
question of return on headache here. This is
Yeah.
a headache. This is somebody else's major problem. Like there's 5 people here who have a problem at least. It's like I don't want to just take on a deal to acquire someone else's headache.